Welcome to the demo of the Semantha extension for Polarion. This video shows you how Semantha's powerful semantic understanding transforms the way you evaluate requirements directly within Polarion. The demonstration is organized into 4 sections. It begins with an overview of the technical components of the integration, followed by a guide on transferring existing knowledge to Semantha. Next, you get a walkthrough on analyzing and reviewing new requirements. And finally, you will learn about configuration options to tailor the integration to your needs. Let's dive in. To begin, let's look at the technical setup for the integration. Semantha can be deployed as a servlet extension onto your Polarion instance. This setup provides an Angular-based user interface that is displayed in an iframe window within Polarion, all managed through the Polarion properties file. This integration enables seamless communication between Polarion and Semantha, allowing documents to be sent back and forth for semantic comparison and showing results directly in the iframe. You can configure access and permissions by user-specific tokens. Semantha can be hosted either on our cloud-based SaaS platform or installed on-premise, depending on your organization's needs. In this section, we will explore how existing requirements can be transferred to the AI. You can easily send requirements from Polarion to Semantha to be interpreted and saved for future analyses. Along with the requirements, any attached knowledge such as attributes, links, and locations will also be transmitted. In Polarion, you have a number of documents containing requirements that have already been analyzed. In this particular document, there are 4 attributes that you need to consider when evaluating each work item. And since this is a previously evaluated document, all work items have their attributes completed. By clicking the Transfer to AI button, the document will be uploaded to Semantha's library, where the text of each requirement is semantically interpreted and stored in a database for future analysis. Switching over to the Semantha UI, you can navigate to the library and see the document that has just been transferred from Polarion. Each work item, along with its attributes, links, and additional data, is now saved. Once you have one document synced with Semantha, you can use that to analyze new incoming requirements. Of course, you can also sync multiple documents across different projects to continuously expand your knowledge base. In this part of the demo, the focus is on analyzing new incoming requirements directly from Polarion, with Semantha working in the background. This means that Semantha can take a new, unevaluated document, compare the meaning of its work items to those stored in the library, and identify matches with semantically similar content. Here you have a document that has come in, which is similar to the one you have synced with the library, but will likely have some changes. Without Semantha, you would need to manually review each work item, check if it is a requirement that has been done before, categorize it, and perform a gap analysis if it's new. An extremely time-consuming process. However, with the Semantha extension, a single click allows you to analyze the document semantically. Additionally, you can use the filter to select a specific subset of your knowledge base for the comparison, rather than considering the entire library. Once the analysis starts, Semantha finds similar requirements and returns matches with a score between 0 and 100% to show how similar the requirements are to each other. When the analysis is complete, an overview of the matches is provided. As shown here, many requirements are almost identical to those already reviewed and likely need little attention. Some requirements are similar and may require a review for differences, while others are new and will normally need the most focus. Now you can go through each work item in detail. By clicking on a work item, the semantic matches identified by Semantha are displayed. And if there are any alternate matches, they will be shown below. Clicking on these matches navigates you directly to the corresponding work item in Polarion. If you are happy with the match, you can approve it. Semantha will then jump to the next work item so you can quickly go through the document. Moreover, approving a match automatically updates the new work item with the attributes of the matched item, eliminating the need for manual updates. Additionally, links can also be transferred when approving work items. For example, if a matching stakeholder need is linked to an internal system requirement, the drop-down allows you to link the system requirement to the new stakeholder need and to mark it as a similar requirement. Returning to the document overview, the chart provided can help you bulk approve the requirements. The green section includes those requirements so similar to existing ones that they don't need any manual review. You can then click on it, select all work items, and approve them in one step. Then, your focus can shift to the requirements with similar or no matches, which may need that extra review. With the Semantha extension, reviewing requirements and new documents becomes significantly more efficient, allowing you to pay attention to those that truly need it. In the final part of the demo, we will have a look at the configuration options for the Semantha extension in Polarion. Each use case is different, and each project might have various attributes that are relevant for the work items. You might also want to configure which information is stored in Semantha and set up any workflows that should be triggered automatically. All of this can be managed through the Semantha user interface. First, you can configure how Semantha interprets requirements using thresholds based on the semantic scores calculated between matches. It is possible to set thresholds for when matches are found and classified as good matches. Then you can configure all the information from Polarion you would like to save in Semantha for analyses. This includes deciding which attributes should be saved and updated upon approval, and which can be stored as extra labels for users. There is also the flexibility to blacklist certain link types and trigger any workflows, such as updating the status of a work item when a Semantha match is approved. That way, you can customize your Semantha extension to work perfectly for your use case and create the most streamlined workflow. Let's take a look at another valuable feature of Semantha beyond requirements analysis, the document Q&A. Once you have transferred a document to Semantha, you can ask questions or search for requirements. First, Semantha will retrieve requirements from your document that are relevant for the question asked. Then, with the help of an integrated large language model, a detailed answer is generated. The requirements used to create the answer are also referenced. Clicking on them will take you directly to the corresponding work item in Polarion.